Hi guys, and welcome to Hex tutorial. For this video, I'll be showing you 12 Canva keyboard shortcut keys that everyone must know as a Canva user. So let's go. Number 1, to bold the letter, just Ctrl then B. To italic letters, just click then Ctrl and I. To underline cause just Ctrl U, like Microsoft Word if you're using Microsoft Word. To do an uppercase, just Shift, Ctrl, then letter K. Okay. Number 5, to create a rectangle shape in Canva, just press R. Okay, and you can move like that. It's square, actually it's square. And to create a circle shape, just click letter C like that, and we can move it, and we can change the color, make it red like that. Okay, that's it. And to make a line, just press L. Okay, we can move it like that again. Number 8, to select a picture or an image on the multiple layers, just click the first image, then press Ctrl, then 1, then move it up for me to edit this picture or this text. Okay, that's it. So number 9, quick duplicate, just click the image, then Ctrl D, like that, and you can duplicate faster. Okay. Number 10 is quick undo, just Ctrl C, for example, and intentionally remove some image like this, then just Ctrl Z to go back. Okay, so to select all, just Ctrl A, so that you can move them all together. Okay, and you can group them together also. Okay. And number 12, the last one, is to select elements. To select specific elements, so I want to select just these book covers to be together so that I can move them together. So I just click the first image, then Shift to add the other image, then that's it. Then I can move them all together, or I can group them together so that even I will remove my hand on the Shift on the keyboard, I can still move both this image. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you could kindly click the like button and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. If you don't have yet a Canva account, I just leave the link in the description down below for you to open a free account and have a 30-day free trial for the pro account. Thank you, and see you in the next video.